Have you ever wondered what would happen if you gave your plants a secret potion made from your kitchen shelf? Something so simple yet so powerful that it could turn weak plants into thriving green beauties? Stay with me, because what happens next might surprise you. Take 1 cup of water, fresh and clean. Add a small spoon of garlic powder and stir it well. Garlic isn't just for the kitchen, it's nature's shield, filled with natural compounds that protect plants from harmful fungi and tiny soil pests. Now, drop a tea bag right into this mixture. Let it rest for about 1 hour. During this time, the tea releases tannins and nutrients, while the garlic infuses the water with its natural power. Once the hour is up, remove the tea bag and bury it near the base of your plant, just a few centimeters under the soil. Then, take the same garlic tea water and pour it gently around the plant's roots. What follows is incredible. Stronger roots, greener leaves, and a natural resistance that keeps pests far away. You've just given your plant a complete organic boost, a mix of protection and nourishment straight from nature. Try this simple garlic tea hack once every 2 weeks and watch your garden come alive. Because sometimes the most powerful plant tonics are brewed, not bought,